Are you under investigation for a sexual assault? If you've recently got a call from a detective or have reason to believe you're under investigation for sexual assault, stick around. I think you're going to like this video. My name is Dodd. I've been a criminal defense attorney here in San Diego County since 2004. My firm is Dodd Law. We focus exclusively on criminal defense. Now, if you've just got a call from a detective and you're being accused of sexual assault, I'm very sorry to hear. I know it's a terrifying time. And typically what's going to happen is the detective is going to call you and they're going to ask you if you know so-and-so. Hey, do you know a person by the name of, Jennifer Smith? And they're going to start talking to you. And the number one advice I can give you is you tell them that you do not want to speak to the police and that you're going to contact an attorney. They're also going to ask you if you're willing to do a lie detector test to clear your name. Again, you're not going to do a lie detector test. So the number one thing you need to do when you get a call from a detective and you're under investigation for sexual assault is you tell them that you're going to contact an attorney, you do not talk, you do not go to do a lie detector test, you do not do anything until you contact an attorney. I've been handling these types of cases for 18 years. They're very stressful, and I understand the position that you're in because the consequences of a sexual assault case can vary from it being a misdemeanor to it being a felony to sex registration to jail time to prison time. There's a wide variety of things that can happen on any sexual assault case. Get an attorney on board right away. What we're going to do, and what I do right away when I take over any sexual assault case, is I immediately contact that detective and we let them know that we're the attorney, that we're on the case, and that they cannot have any contact with you whatsoever, that you're not going to talk. We're not going to go do their lie detector tests, which are designed for you to fail. We're not going to make them any statements where they're trying to get you to, trip up and say something that you didn't want to say. Everything goes through us. They cannot have any contact, communication with you at all. So we typically take over the case, and for the meantime, the detectives are going to leave you alone. And typically what's going to happen is the detective is going to get the case, do their investigation. They're not going to talk to you anymore, and they're going to send the case to the DA's office. Once the DA gets the case, somebody from their sex crimes division will get the case, and then we begin the negotiation process with them in hopes that we're able to get the case rejected, meaning that they don't file charges. There's an issue of victim credibility, and they decide that they're not going to file charges, and the case goes away. Unfortunately, that could take weeks, that could take months, that could take years, and you just sit there in limbo because you have no idea which direction they're going. And I get it, it's stressful. I have cases right now that have been going on for more than a year and we have no indication as to what's going on. I have cases that, 2-3 weeks into it, we're able to get dismissed. I have cases where you hire us and within a week, charges are filed and we're going to court and we're handling the arraignment. So the number one thing you want to do right away is you want to get an attorney on board. You're not going to make any statements. You're not going to go do the lie detector test. And if in the event they decide that they're going to file charges on you, usually your attorney is able to work out an agreement where you actually arrange a surrender, where you actually go down to the police station and you surrender instead of them coming in late at night, knocking on your door and arresting you and embarrassing you in front of your whole family. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and give me a call. My name is Dodd. I've been doing this for 18 years. My firm is Dodd Law. Hit that like button, subscribe to our channel. Give us a call at the number below if you just want to discuss your case. These are very stressful cases and I understand what you're going through and I'm very sorry to hear. Have a great day.